What's up, everybody? Welcome to Satishfied. Today we are in sunny San Diego, California. It's not much sunny, a little bit ashy over here. We are going to visit two spots today. We are at one spot already, Tacos El Gordo, and we are going to hit Phil's Barbecue after that. So let's see. Hey guys, so we found the security who works here. He's gonna suggest the best taco from here. Which one is it?
Adobada.
Adobada.
Adobada fries.
Adobada fries.
Yeah, come down and to the restaurant on Broadway. They'll hook you up.
That's right. That's what we are gonna get.
More you have.
Thanks, brother. So due to the rush in here, we got taco adobada, taco azteca, that is cactus. Adobada is pork. It's marinated in red sauce. And we got tacos carne asada. And we got tripa taco. And the girls got a french fry, unsalted. And we got our horchata. So let's see how it is. So let's taste their fries. Especially ask for unsalted one because of the girls. Nice and fresh. It's for the girls. Asi, do you approve the fries? Huh? Do you like the fries? Yeah, so that's a yes. You liked it? Yay! Ami, did you like the fries? Huh? What do you say? You like it? No, this is tripa. So that is a tripa tacos. So oily. I guess that's the best one. Oh, they added asada in the azteca. So they added asada in the azteca. No pares.
So Azteca is the southern
Mmm.
Nopales is spicy.
Oh, okay, okay. I love it. I love the flavor, the texture. There is our carne asada taco. Can you see it? Yeah, yeah.
Tutorial.
Mmm. Mmm. As soon as you take a bite, there's that flavor burst in your mouth. Oh my god. It's good. No wonder this place has 5,000 plus reviews on Yelp and 4.5 stars. Asada fries. So the security guard said you can get a fry and get half asada and half adobado in there. That is the best that he knows and he likes it. That's a famous over here. So if you are getting fries, make sure to ask for half adobado and half asada fry. And our adobado tacos. And that's our adobado taco. Okay. This is a prize winner taco right there. Oh my god. So good. I don't know what sauce they put on it, but that sauce is so good. The the pork isn't that spicy, but you get a little kick out of it. But there you go. How's it? So I would want this on my fries next time for sure. So let me tell you guys how to order over here. When you come into order, there are different counters for different meat. You have the adobada on both ends, and ordering any other tacos, you have to go in between. There are signs over there. You order, you go to the cashier, you let them know that you're eating here or taking it out. Um, so eating here, they have outdoor seating arrangements, and if you're taking home or sitting in car and eat, just do that. And our horchata. It's good, but the only thing is that I have had so many homemade horchatas that's better. I would still give like 4 out of 5 for the horchata. So next to Phil's Barbecue. What's up, everybody? We are on our second location right now. It's a famous Phil's Barbecue. So this restaurant was started in 1998, and it's been featured in Man vs. Food, in Fung Bros videos. So it's definitely worth a try. Since I'm a big fan of Man vs. Food. Also, this place has the second highest most reviews on Yelp. It's 14,000 plus reviews on this restaurant. So we are gonna go get a little bit of everything, but not all of it because it's just me who's eating all the meat. So let's go get it. So for a Saturday afternoon, the line is not that crazy. It's only like 3 people in front of us. I'm just gonna order it and go sit in our car and eat it from there. So we got our beef bone, our beef ribs, and half a chicken. We got our sausage link, and we got our El Toro, that is tri-tip sandwich. We got our coleslaw, and we have our macaroni, and we have our Phil's iced tea. Okay, let's try their sausage link. It's not spicy. I didn't get much flavor other than their barbecue sauce in here. Their beef bone. That's a big piece of beef bone. Ho, 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 ho. The beef is cooked to perfection. I don't know what are they adding in the rub, but it, it tastes a little spicy. You get the spice aftertaste. It's good. And this is just a sampler piece. Now we have the beef backbone. Look at this. Whoa. Damn, man. I don't mind pulling this off, throwing it on a bun, eating it as a burger. Let's try their barbecue chicken. Yeah. The skin is the best one, best part. You get all the char. Oh my god, it's good. It is good. I should have bought some extra barbecue sauce from there. And now we are going from our soft chicken to the star of this trip. I heard a lot of reviews about this. So try tip. Oh my god, the char flavor. Not the char, it's a smoky flavor. This might be the best idea ever. Try tip on a Kaiser roll. Man.
Someone's mouth is watering back in. Send it.
So good. See, it falls off that easy. So for the sides, they didn't give us a spoon or a fork.
Are you
So-
eating with your hands?
We could. So let's try their iced tea. It's okay, I guess.
I have it.
Not the best. Oh, yay! So wifey has a fork stashed with her. Let's try out the sides. Coleslaw. Mmm. So good. I don't feel like sharing this one though. Now, our macaroni salad. It's amazing. I'm gonna add some chicken to it. Why not? Oh, it's good. But I prefer coleslaw though. So, if you guys like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, Me and the babies are gonna eat some meat.